Hey, welcome to Howza Channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to use a gift card on Amazon. Open your web browser and go to the Amazon webpage. Open the listing you're interested in. Click on Add to Cart. Click on Proceed to Checkout. Click on Deliver to this address. Select the needed options. Click on Continue. Look for gift cards and promotional codes. Click on Enter a gift card or promotional code. Enter the code and click on Apply. Complete the order. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!